Today we will look into SightSpeak contact form module. So let's start. And this is the agenda for my presentation. I will show you the purpose of contact form module, how the contact form module looks, how to use contact form module, how to set its field and how to set its essence, how to configure SMTP using your account, showing the module as non-logged user, and is it mobile responsive. So now the purpose of contact form module. A contact form module is a valuable component for website enhancing user experience, facilitating communication, and helping website administrators manage inquiries in an organized manner. Now, how the contact form module looks. After deploying our contact form module, it will looks like this. This contact form module makes an easy and attractive contact form anywhere within your website design. The contact form module comes with input fields, email fields, and captcha with submit button. And now how to set its field and how to set its action. Bring the module settings. Contact form module setting is divided into three broad categories: field, action, and submission. Setting categories can expand and collapse. Let's start with all setting categories. The first section is fields. This is where you can add and remove fields and configure the fields. If here you will not selected any field, then it will show at least one field required. To make the field required, you need to check the checkbox. Collapse it. Then second setting categories is action. Extend it. Here you can set this checkbox stored in your website database. If you want to send copy of from details of an admin email, then you have to check this checkbox. Here you can add your email. In the email address field, type the email you want contact from submission to be sent to. If you want to send a copy from details to the submitter email, then you can check this checkbox. After contact form submission, this checkbox is upgrade the thank you pop-up and give content. And the next setting, redirect page. If you like your visitors to redirect to another website page after submission of contact form, then paste the URL here. And now I will show how to see number of submission. Go to edit mode, go to module settings, go to last control submission. Here you can see your number of submissions. And now how to configure SMTP using your account. First you need to turn on two-step verification. After turn on two-step verification, you need to configure SMTP using your mail. Go to gear icon, select server, then go to another tab, server setting. Here you need to configure SMTP using your mail. You need to enter SMTP server port and your username and your mail and your SMTP password. Then save and test SMTP setting. See, it's successfully done. Close this tab and let's check. You need to fill this contact. After you have done, click then submit. See, after submitting, you will get pop-up. It will redirect you to this URL. You can see. And now admin will get a mail like this. Here message will show. Here user name, first name, last name, then user email, then phone number, then message, then website URL, then thank you, text. And now I will show. User will get like this mail. Open it. See, here user message, then first name, last name, email, then phone number, then message, then website URL, then thank you. And also it will ask some reply you like this. Showing the module as non-logged user. Go to your website, log out from here. See, for non-logged user, our contact form module will looks like this. And now, is it mobile responsive? After logging into your mobile, it will looks like this. You can see here is our contact form module. And now how it will work. Fill all the details, first name, last name, email address. It will accept both US and Indian mobile number. If you will enter 9 digit, then it will show error. Mobile number should 10 digit in format, then message, then captcha, then you have to click on submit button. After submitting this, thank you pop-up message will appear. Here page URL. You can buy this from DNN store. Thanks for watching.